Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So I already went and installed it so I could go through kind of the headache and stuff that you guys might have to go through to install one of these. But I installed a safety switch on the back of the race car just because when I'm working on it, it's kind of a pain to keep unhooking and hooking up the battery. And then in case something goes wrong on the track, I can hurry in and run and shut it off. So I want to show you guys on how to also do this modification. So to start off, I went to AutoZone and I got me some needed cables that to be able to do this project. And then the next piece is I took out the key to the trunk because I have the lever on the inside, so there's really no point having that keyhole. And then I drilled a hole right here to run it underneath the car and up. So what I did is I ran my new wire here, and then I put it on the top of the switch. And then that red wire is connected to the bottom of the switch. So I'll show you guys what the switch looks like, but you can buy these off of Amazon. I believe this is a 150 amp switch. So this is the switch that I put on, so it does come with that cover too. So what I did is I put 2 holes in there, and I actually have mine mounted like this with that piece down. And then you have these, so you connect one terminal here and one terminal here. And then to be able to actually use it, you get these keys that you just put in, and then they just turn, and you can kind of see on the switch the on and off position. And so that is how you guys wire up that switch. So kind of get started in there, and I'll explain the stuff that I had to take off, and then you guys are free to go. Okay guys, so to remove that bumper, you'll have to take both of those out. You won't have those bottom bolts that you see there. Those are only there because I have the chassis mount wing. And then I just took this light off, and then you will have some bolts behind this up here that will allow you just to flex that piece back so you can get to that spot. And then I just drilled this hole a little bigger, and you can kind of see I used 2 M6 screws and a few nuts on there to get that through. And normally your battery is not going to be here. Your battery is actually going to be located where my muffler and my exhaust and everything is. But to get to it, you'll end up pulling off these these nuts right here, and that'll allow you to pull this light out so that you can actually flex that bumper piece right there. So it's super easy install, but yeah, it flips on and off my lights. So I'll show you guys how she works. See, just kills power just like that. So definitely come in handy. Well guys, I know it wasn't a long video, but I just kind of wanted to go over what I've done so far on the Miata. I added that kill switch because it'll be nice when I'm working on it, or when I'm on the track and I just need to shut it off, let it cool down, and just kill like all the circuits when I'm doing electrical. So there's tons of pros to it. And then it also is a nice like anti-theft as well. So because those keys, I mean, I'm not going to leave the key in there, but the key will still be accessible, so I can just turn on and off the car. So make sure you go and like and subscribe and stay tuned.